are you dancing around the question? Just answer me. What kind of rain is this? Are you... I'm sorry, sir. What do you mean, what kind of rain is this? What's behind the rain? It's coming. What is it? Okay, so I have a question. What would you say, or how would you answer? What kind of rain is this? It's been raining for a long time now. What does that mean? What is happening? Are we in the middle of a storm? What's going on? I'm sorry, sir. What do you mean, what kind of rain is this? What kind of rain is this that we are having? Something is wrong. Something is happening. You have to know the answer. Do you mean is it acid rain? No, not acid rain. I'm asking you what kind of rain is this. Why are you dancing around the question? Just answer me. What kind of rain is this? A wet one? Or what the what? What did it even? What's behind the rain? What is behind the rain? There has to be something behind the rain. What is it? What? What is behind the rain? What is coming towards us? Something is coming. What is it? Cloud?